is one, where all values of that particular row are an exact match of all the values in some another row. Do remember that duplicate values are determined by the value displayed in the cells, not by the value stored in the cell. For instance, if you take a look at both these cells, you will find that the values in both cells are similar, but date format for both are unique. Be sure about the results before you remove the duplicate values, or you can run filter or conditional formatting before removing the duplicate values. It is a good idea to copy your data to another sheet before removing duplicate values, so if something goes wrong, then you may still have a chance to revert back. To remove duplicate values, select the range of cells. On the Data tab, click Remove Duplicates under Data Tools group. You will be asked to select the columns that contain duplicate values. You must select the columns carefully, as Excel is asking you to which rows it should consider as duplicate. For instance, if I only select order date, region, and salesperson, and uncheck all the other columns, then all the rows whom has similar values in these three columns alone will be removed, even though if the items, unit, cost and total were different. As I mentioned earlier, mostly we consider those rows as duplicate, which are an exact copy of values from other row, including all the headings. You can easily uncheck all headings by clicking Unselect All button, or can check every item by clicking Select All. My data has header is checked by default, and Excel assumed that the first row in the selected cell range have headings, which it is displaying in the columns list. If you uncheck this option, then heading from columns will vanish, and Excel will start displaying the columns by their actual headings, and will consider first row as data values. Clicking OK will instantly find and remove the duplicate values from the selected range, and will display a message that how many duplicate values were removed, and how many unique values remain. If there were no duplicate values, then Excel will display a corresponding message. Press OK to complete the task. So, that was all.